Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitchin with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we are going to be starting this one that I got this morning from BiggestCraft, and it's called Fortune Bird, and I am going to be starting right up here in the top area like I decided in the video before. And the color is 321 red, which I call Christmas red. But yeah, it's a very nice red. So we'll be stitching on that today. So get your stitching out or whatever craft it is that you like. And let's get to it. My goodness gracious. Yeah, I'm glad it's Thursday. Because, yeah, got to be a little much yesterday. It was a little bit busier than it has been. Not real sure why everybody was coming through, but they were just coming down in droves. So I don't know if everybody decided to go skiing or what. Whoa. Sorry, my bad. Avalanche. Get you down in there so you can see what we're doing. So, or what, you know, what was going on. And of course we got the order, and it was about, we'll call it half an hour later than it normally is getting there. So yeah, see if I could maybe, oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing is just so big, I can't get it to lay down flat on one side, so this is what we're dealing with. Just so you can see what we're stitching. Yeah, so there was only 3 of us today, so it took about, maybe an hour, hour and a half to get it all done. So that wasn't so bad. But, yeah. Didn't snow. It was windy all dang day long. Even after I got home, it was still windy. Yeah, it was awesome. Oh, goodness gracious. So yeah, I'm ready for some quiet time. I'll be stitching today. Not real sure what I'm going to be stitching on for the rest of the day. Maybe I'll stitch on this for a while and see if I can get a couple of these little tiny flowers done. Who knows? But this was the easiest area to start in. Didn't do much stitching when I got home yesterday. I was done. I had a little bit to eat, and then I went and took a hot shower and just kind of sat there and vegged. I was pretty done. So hopefully it'll be nice and blue sky like it was yesterday. Oh, we had some little white clouds, but nothing threatening, you know. And the wind was just a whooping yesterday. I was done with fighting it all day. Wanted to do some more stitching on that London one. See if I could accomplish something there. So yeah, just no grand plans for this weekend, except stitching. That's the biggest, grandest plan we got. Because if it's just going to continue to be cold, and it said it was in the low 40s, but it sure felt like it was about 15 degrees all day long. I hate that. So We can sit inside and stitch. Yeah, pull that out before I get it messed up there. And before I forget, I did have a viewer send me a picture. Thank you, Diane, for sending me that picture. She finished that, I'll put that right in here, diamond painting that she sent me one of the same. So she got it all done. Of course, she started way, way before I even showed it. But it is just as stunning as I thought it would be. Just gorgeous. So, yeah, maybe I'll work on that some this weekend, too. Not feeling it doing beaded cross stitch, at least today. Some days I just have to be in the mood. And others I'll just get it out and put a couple, sorry, we gotta close this off, couple colors done and then put it away. So I might even take the beads from that, not beads, so sorry, wrong word, the drills from the cat and put them in their own little container, because they're just in the little plastic, you know, cut one corner and pour out your beads. But the more I've thought about it, the more I think it needs to be anchored down somewhere. So that'll work. Got my little owl out today. He looks like he could be sharing a branch with that bird of fortune, or fortune bird, or whichever way you say it. Yeah, I do like that little owl. He's so cute. He, she, I'm assuming it's a she because she's got flowers in her hair. Ouch. That felt just exciting. Oh my goodness, I love when I do that. I know. We have thimbles available in this house. It's not like I don't have any, because, yeah. I have plenty. But do I use them all the time? No. Not at all. Man, this canvas was so stiff. I've crunched this 4 times over here just so I could hang onto it. Thank you, Diane, for sending the picture before I forget. I sure do appreciate it. It gives me the incentive to work on mine and maybe make some decent progress. We'll see how long my neck holds out. That's usually the first thing to go. Oh, goodness. Let's go right over here. It'll be easier and there'll be a little bit more to stitch on. This color is kind of scattered around. First I was going to work on all the brown branches, but I changed my mind. Sometimes. Because it was pretty strung out, if you will. Like all over. Well, you can see. Hang on. What I mean, it's just kind of here, there, across here, and down and through here. Yeah. No, that wasn't going to work out. So, pick a red. Any red. There was sure a lot to pick from. I kind of want to start that bird, but that's a big area, so we'll kind of leave it alone for a while and work on the flowers. Let's see what they look like. So what is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun and that you love. Because life's too short to work on something that just irritates the heck out of you. Yeah, I learned that a long time ago. Some days a fight's not worth it, so I'd rather work with colors that I like and just a picture that I like. And that usually does it for me, so that's why I stitch what I stitch. I was thinking about, I believe, what is it called? I think it's Watertown Memory. It's that great big huge one that nobody likes to stitch on because it's such a dark canvas. Yeah. But I'm in a good section, so it's pretty easy. I could easily get out a 6-strand of thread and just put it all in no time at all. Because it's got bigger areas, but they're just, it's kind of strung out. You know, like if you had an area this big, it would just kind of go everywhere. So it ends up looking like outlining, if you will. And there's nothing wrong with that. So I just got to be in the mood to work on it like that. If anybody else has any pictures they'd like to share, projects you're working on or projects you finished, doesn't have to be diamond painting. Ooh, I almost pulled that all the way out. Just send it to my email address, and that's in the description box below. And I'll get it up in the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. But I sure like to see what everybody else is working on, and yeah. I kind of like to see people making progress, because heaven knows I don't make too much progress. But this red is just kind of everywhere. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. Hold it. Gotta get rid of the needle. It's just, there's some right here, there's a little there, there's something over there, underneath the owl right there, so I don't know what the surrounding colors are going to be like, so we'll have to check them all out today, if I can. Definitely have to get a thimble though. I think, you know, my finger's just about done in. I know this wasn't a very long Stitch With Me. I'm so sorry about that, but I got some other things I need to accomplish today, so did want to stitch with you, and I did want to start this. So thank you guys for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.